Good morning, students. Today we will do the activity match the letter with same sound picture. Okay. In this picture we have written a letter which sound is S. S. Okay. You have to match the same sound picture with the letter. Like this is S, S, sun. What is this? This is S, S, sun. And what is the sound of letter S? S. So, hear carefully. The sound of letter of picture sun is same to the sound of letter S. So, you will put your pencil on sun and match it with letter S. Good. Now tell me, what is this? This is H, H, hut. The sound of picture hut is H, H. So, the sound of letter S is S. Here, listen carefully. The sound of letter S is not same with the sound of picture H. So, you will not match it. Okay. Now, tell me, what is this? This is ball. The sound of picture ball is B. And the sound of letter S is S. So, listen carefully. The sound are not matching with each other. The sound of ball is B and sound of S is S. So, the sounds are different. Then you will not match it. Now, tell me, what is this? This is star. What is this? This is star. Here, what is the sound of letter S? S. So, hear carefully. The sound of star is same to the letter sound S. So, you will put your pencil on a star and match it with the letter S. Okay. My dear student, here we match the same sound picture with the same sound letter. Okay. Hope you all will enjoy to do this activity in your English notebook. Okay. Bye bye.